Happy Monday. This is your homework support for EL 10.2 or 9.2, depending on where you are in your notebook. And we're now going to use the main ideas from multiple chapters that we've worked on in past weeks to now come up with the main idea of the entire text. That's what we really want to try to think about. All right? All of you have this rubric that you're going to use. You also have your options, and you all left class picking either A or C for that. And then you also have your CFU, which includes all the main ideas. And we also have our community. We have our keywords or key ideas from every single chapter also listed on there. Okay. So the only thing I'm going to work on right now is how do we transition from from the intro to body one, because I can't really give too much because it is a paper that you have to write. So I don't want to give you answers to that. All right. So with that being said, when you're going from the intro to the body, your intro, you have two reasons. Those reasons consist of the two chapters that you chose from your model of CFU that you're saying, I'm going to use these to prove my main idea. I'm going to use this to prove either that society can be perfect if people don't know what imperfection is, or that a perfect society involves training and controlling the minds and actions of people. So let's say, with that, the first thing said I need to begin with my first reason. So very simply, you'll just say, to begin, I can prove, prove the main idea of the giver using chapter, and let's say we did chapter 1 using chapter 1, period. So now that's done. Now we move here. So now my evidence, and I want to include a summary of that chapter. So from that point, I want to go into the main idea of chapter 1 is, quote, and I actually give whatever it says there. Now from that point, that's my evidence. Now I want to go into why. So what is a summary of that chapter to help support that? To show that that is the main idea. So what do you know in that chapter? Is that because in the chapter, Jonas, and then you finish giving that summary. So now that would be this second box checked off. Now you want to wrap it all up. This connects to the overall main idea because, and then from that point you actually connect this information to whatever you chose here, A or C. Bring that down, A or C. And then you repeat the process. So for body 2, you would do that again. Additionally, I can prove the main idea of the giver using chapter blank. The main idea of chapter blank is, and you do the same process. All right? So this is what I'm expecting. All right? This is just the body paragraph. There will be an intro before, and you have a conclusion after. All right? So hopefully this helps.